If your 2016 Honda CRV is refusing to crank today, don't call a tow truck just yet. Statistically, 7 out of 10 starting issues on this model year come down to a failing 12-volt battery. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to find the culprit before you spend money on parts. Start with the basics by checking your key fob battery and ensuring your battery terminals are clean and tight. The 2016 CRV uses a relatively small battery that often struggles in extreme cold or after 3 years of use. If you hear a single loud click but the engine doesn't turn over, your starter motor has likely reached its end. If a jump start gets you running, replace the battery. If not, focus your attention on the starter motor. A new battery is a quick $200 fix, while a professional starter replacement can exceed $500. You can sometimes verify a bad starter by gently tapping it with a tool while someone else tries to start the car. Keep a basic multimeter and a 10mm wrench handy to handle these common Honda electrical issues yourself. Remember that a simple loose ground wire can mimic a major mechanical failure, so check your connections first. Check that battery voltage first, and you'll likely have your CRV back on the road in no time.